iPhone 13. Battery health show 90%. Let's enter the diagnose mode and dismantle the old battery. Let's install the new original battery and use machine to fix the battery. Followed by clean up the old glue. Our work is neat and tidy. Now install the original water-resistant glue and use the machine to fix the water-resistant glue. Install back the screen. Again, use the same machine to fix the screen. Fit. Continue run the diagnose process. Check again the battery health. Battery health back to 100%. Check again the battery status. Genuine Apple part proven.